bridge, confirm starboard alignment reading.
Reading is stable at 2.5 meters.
Acknowledge. Continue monitoring.
The scale of this damage is truly massive.
Yes, especially near the ballast tanks. We need to start with the structural integrity assessment immediately. Move the cannon to the starboard side. We've got heavy buildup here. Increase the pressure. Watch the runoff. Get the vacuum on that spill now.
Bring it down 20 centimeters. Watch the starboard side connection point.
Copy that. Looks aligned on this end. Keep it steady. Bring it down slowly. Watch the clearance on the starboard side.
Copy that. Lowering main hoist. Watch your step on the descent. It's slick.
Copy that. Entering the lower section now. The sludge is deep.
Engaging the hoist now. Keep an eye on the alignment. Clear.
Pressure looks steady.
Watch the piping on the far side. The alignment is stable.
Thermal cross-check is good.
Watch the pressure on sector 4.
Running diagnostics, it's holding steady.
Secure that bundle tightly before we move to the next section.
Already done. We can proceed with the diagnostic activation now. We have localized vibration near the manifold. Check flange 5.
I see the leak. Getting the torque wrench.
Vibration dampened. System stabilized at target pressure.
Lifeline tension is reading spot on.
Railing bolts are all secured and aligned. We are good to go.
The hydraulic pressure is holding steady at 20,000 psi.
And the deflection readings are well within tolerance. The reinforcement is working.
Easy now, lower slowly. Watch the starboard alignment.
Hold it there. We are clear for engagement.
All connections secured. T2 verification complete.
Copy that.
Initiating power sequence. Stand by for calibration.
Activating the main sequence. Watch the pressure differential.
Holding steady. Looks good. System passed.
The engine systems are perfectly synchronized.
Agreed. She's fully operational and ready for sea trials.
Helm response is nominal.
Copy that. All systems showing green across the board.
This section looks perfect. Agreed. The gloss is exceptional here. Let's move to the next plate. The pressure gauge readings are stable across the board.
Check the alignment on the forward mounts against the schematic.
Everything seems to spec.
Final clearance granted. Slow astern, then dead slow ahead on the main engine. Let's move her out.